DJM TV.
Boko Haram don release some of the kidnapped Nigerian schoolboys of Government Science Secondary School, Kankara. Nigerian terrorist group Boko Haram claim responsibility for the abduction of more than 300 schoolboys last Friday for northwestern Nigeria. Nigerian authorities say dem no believe the claim, but security experts bin say na bandits, no be Boko Haram, na kidnap the schoolboys. Story wey reach us be say Boko Haram pipo dey enter okada take ambush the all-boys Government Science Secondary School for Kankara last week. For there, dem come kidnap more than 300 boys, carry dem comot from the school, enter bush. All dis one dem put am say dem want ransom before dem go fit release dis children give their parents back. No be small thing, as many of the parents come gather for the school, some dey cry, some dey pray say make dem fit release their children. Some of dem come dey call on government to please make dem intervene so that dem go fit release their children back to them. The governor of the state of Katsina State, Masari, come talk say dem dey responsible and dem go make sure say the children dey come back safely. After that incident, the governor come say make all but the school across the state make dem close and make the students go house for now. Wetin come really surprise many people for the matter be say dis no be the first time when this Boko Haram group dey kidnap school children. We no go forget the one wey happen for 2014 when nearly 300 schoolgirls for Chibok lose their freedom to this Boko Haram. Although dem release some, but till today some of dem never still come back. Also, we no go forget Daship when over 100 girls dem kidnap dem and dem release all of dem, but one wey dem dey call Leah Shaibu, dem no go release am sake of say she no gree convert go their religion. Many of the families come dey fear say dis one wey dem don catch their children, so make no come be like the way dem do Chibok girls that time. Dem dey fear say because as time dey go, dem fit force their children make dem come become militant and make dem come begin dey do bad bad things and wororo things for the country. We no go forget say the word Boko Haram mean say Western education is forbidden. Dem claim say na dem na kidnap the children and until government pay dem certain amount of money, dem no go release the children. People come dey fear say maybe dem don carry dem pass the border of Nigeria, enter Niger, or maybe dem don put dem inside small small group wey dem no go fit find dem. The Katsina State Governor, Aminu Bello Masari, come talk give news people say na over 320 boys dey miss o. Although some people don say e pass 320, some say na 520. But dem say soldiers don go inside the forest sake of say dem wan go find the boys for where dem put dem. Wetin shockalize people pass for dis matter be say na the same state na President Muhammadu Buhari for come, and the day wey dem kidnap dis boys so na that same day na Mr. Presido arrive the state on wetin he call private visit. So e just be like say dem use am take give am welcome party. Parents come dey beg say abeg make dem release their children.
To, Allah ya riga ya kawo mana, ya saukan mana da wannan al'amari. Ɗana yana ɗaya daga cikin wannan tashin hankali da Allah ya saukan mana, amma muna roƙon gwamnati da Allah
DJM TV.
da Annabi ta sa mana hannu ta taimaka mana. Allah ya fito mana da 'ya'yanmu, kuma da Allah muna roƙon 'yan uwa musulmai su taya mu da addu'a. Allah ya kuɗo mana da 'ya'yanmu, Allah ya kawo su a hanya mafita, Allah ya ba su hanya mafita ta gari.
Ɗana na ɗaya daga cikin waɗanda aka dangaza aka tafi da su har zuwa yanzu. Muna neman gwamnati da ta tsaya kamar yadda aka ce sun je sun gansu ido da ido sun dawo.
Most of the
To
parents are not
kamar
be comot
yadda
for the
suka
school.
gansu nan
They dey
muna
there, they
son su
pray, they offer prayer, they
koma su
cry.
ba su
Say
kayan
abeg make God
aikin
help
su
them.
koma su
Make
je su
government fit
dangazo
intervene so
mana
that they
da
fit
su.
bring back their children for
Tunda
them.
da
And they
bakin
no
su
go
sun
fit bear
ce
to
sun
lose their
gansu ido
children.
da ido kan
For one of the
dutse
video wey go
an
come
saka
out,
'ya'yan
you go
na
hear when we
tsaki.
say that they tell one of the boy, make it tell government, say make they send the army, they go back so that they go fit negotiate well. Hundreds of the school boys when they kidnapped last week, they don't release them as at the time of filing this report. A spokesman for the governor of Katsina State say na 344 of them na they release and all of them dey in good condition. He said the attack really na by the militant group Boko Haram, and he say for a statement, say the boys they don't carry they go the capital of Katsina State and they go soon reunite there with their family. Although he say the message wey Boko Haram release say not be authentic, say because the person wey talk for inside not be Abubakar Shekau. Authorities before bin say the boys na 300 o, abi na 320, but when they come release the boys now, we call the say na 344. When they ask them, they come say they not really know if na all of them they don release o, say because they not too dey sure of wetin happen. Nigerians don react to the news say they don release the boys there. Some of the talk say that mean say e be like say ASU go come go join militant o, say because e come be like say for Nigeria na only people wey be militant wey dey carry gun na government dey fear o, say government no dey fit dey fight Boko Haram o, but when e reach protesters, government dey get power. Why e be like say government dey get power to fight against innocent citizens, but when e reach the real koko, the real matter there, government no dey get power to take talk. They say all these kind things e no good. Most people come dey even dey ask sef now say una even sure say they kidnap these boys? Una sure say this kidnap not be way to take fund dis people wey dey do korokere movement? Say because how they just say kidnap person, government come dey go negotiate with militants? Since when government begin do that kind thing? That means say ASU sef go soon begin turn to militants too, because e come be like say na that one na government dey fear. Some people say abi they keep the boys there for one place, they come just drop money, carry them come back. Say the whole thing e no just make sense at all. You dey add the 1 plus 1 together, the thing no just dey make sense at all. Anyway, we thank God say they don still, at least they don still release the boys. E no come be like the case of Chibok, wey we no come see some of the girls. We still dey pray say the boys dem when they never release, may God do am make dem fit release them, because also they be small children. They no just know anything wey dey happen at all. And all this kind to dey go through all this kind traumatic experience for life, e no just good at this early stage. Well, my people, na here we take come to the end of our video. Thank you for your time wey you take follow us for this news. Abeg don't forget to like and to share this video. Drop your comment for the comment section. Talk your mind. How the thing do you for body? More than not forget say I still be una girl and una sister Laworo Favour, and this na DJM TV news.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV.